Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Dewan Harden here. Today's video is going to be about a review on the last thing I touched about in my last video about generating leads for your business. I talked about global Moneyline, so today is going to be a global Moneyline review. This channel is specifically about for you learning how to work from home and creating a lifestyle for yourself for freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And here's the front office here of Global Moneyline, as you can see here. So let me just go ahead and sign in. And you gotta go through all this stuff here, and you see other people who are also in the business who are at different levels. You see these guys here at diamond, double diamond level subscribers. I mean, they pay for the higher level packages in order. That's what I talked about before, where it is free to join Moneyline, but if you want to be able to access more people at one time, to submit multiple messages to a whole case of people, then you have to go into the higher levels. And by you doing that, if people who come in underneath you as well, who join in underneath your affiliate ID number, which once again, this is an affiliate marketing business, everything's allows you to generate money, so you can have multiple streams of income coming from all directions. But yeah, you start off free, and then you can upgrade to the higher levels. Right now, of course, as you can see, I'm not in the double diamond here. I'm starting off small and building up to get to the higher levels. But just being at the bronze customer level, here's what I'm able to do. Once you click in here to see the amount of people that you have, I have to click on somebody's ad. It doesn't really matter who it is. But as you can see right now, I have gathered since the moment I came in, I'm at 212,871 people that I have in as behind me. And as you see across the banner here, these are people who are joining at this very second, coming across the board. So as soon as you come in, immediately you start getting people to come in right behind you. That's why it says secure your spot. Alright, so if I'm scrolling down here, get to the part where I can send a message to people, and at this point in the bronze level, I can submit to 20 people at one time. This is how many people I have left out of my total of 212,871 people. I have this many left to send a message out to. So I would just check and get my first 20 people here, and then I can put in here any message I want to put in here. And then of course I can apply my affiliate link in here, and then from there everyone is getting a mass message of my product and opportunity. So that immediately gives you a good start into the opportunity of you reaching out to customers and whatnot. And if you have a really good funnel set up where you can capture these actual peoples and get their names and their email list, and they go into into your email list, of course. And from that, you continue on sending them more and more opportunities that you're involved in. So you have that option there as well, or you can just directly send your opportunity straight to them with no funnel or anything like that set up whatsoever, where you're actually sending them into an email list. And that's really that. Pretty straightforward things here. It goes over how to get started and everything like that. Got your financials, what breaks down your everything that you've been paid out through Moneyline. You got leaderboards, which is really awesome. You can see people who aren't on leaderboards. There are many other ways to capture leads for your business, but this is definitely an effective one to start off with and grow with. And as we're going through my channel every day, I'll put out more videos to show you more ways for you to generate leads for your business. There's tons and tons of resources for you that are available for you. So all these people here are on leaderboards right now. It's showing them recognition. They don't really get anything special for it. They don't get a car or anything like that. They just, get recognition. But it's, it's interesting. It's cool. See who's really working hard in the business here, who's really attacking it and everything like that. So every day, you can, like I said, you saw where I have like 101,000 left people I got to send a message out to. So throughout the day, I'll just be blasting messages until, I get tired. And then the next day I'll do the same thing over and over again until I get myself to the higher level. Once I get some commission in, I can increase my package that I'm in and just build up from there. You ain't got to come into this, this type of business and start automatically at the top. And, you got to build things up. If you have the financials, go ahead and do that. Then, more power to you. But if you don't, and you're just trying to, get your foot in the door, start off in a free package and then build up to a bronze level and then go on from there. Just trying to be very transparent with you and see if this, like I said, I want to resonate with you and let you know that, I'm not at the level of complete total freedom, but I will be. Because my mindset, it's all about your mindset. All right. I will leave a link, another link again in my description for this opportunity here for you to get leads for your business. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to it, and also hit the bell for any more notifications coming further in the future. I am trying to be very consistent with my videos right now, so stay tuned. Thank you for your time, and you have a great day.